Next up, the 1945 Lincoln wheat penny with no mint mark, struck at the Philadelphia Mint. At first glance, this coin may look like just another old penny, especially in fine circulated condition. But don't be fooled, this small copper coin holds historical significance and, in certain cases, surprising value in today's collector market. Could a simple 1-cent coin from 1945 really be worth a lot of money? Let's explore its secrets together. The 1945 Lincoln wheat penny was minted during the final year of World War II, making it a coin deeply connected to a pivotal moment in global history. The Lincoln cent series, first introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th birthday of Abraham Lincoln, was designed by Victor David Brenner and became the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure. By 1945, the United States Mint had resumed using the traditional bronze composition after the temporary steel cents of 1943. The 1945 penny is composed of 95% copper, with small amounts of tin and zinc, giving it its classic reddish-brown appearance. The absence of a mint mark indicates that this coin was produced in Philadelphia, which struck hundreds of millions of pennies that year to support a growing post-war economy. The design of the 1945 Lincoln wheat penny is both simple and iconic. On the obverse, you'll find the right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, along with the inscriptions "In God We Trust" above, "Liberty" to the left, and the year 1945 to the right. The reverse side features two wheat stalks framing the denomination 1 cent and the inscription "United States of America," along with the Latin motto "E Pluribus Unum." In fine condition, the coin shows moderate wear, but important details such as Lincoln's hair, ear, and the wheat lines on the reverse remain visible. The color of the coin typically appears as a mix of brown and faded red tones due to years of circulation, giving each coin a unique aged character that collectors appreciate. Although the 1945 wheat penny without a mint mark was produced in very large numbers, its rarity is not based solely on mintage, but on condition and unique characteristics. Coins in fine condition are quite common, but finding examples with strong detail, minimal damage, and appealing surfaces can still attract collectors. The real demand increases when coins are found in higher grades or with rare mint errors, such as doubled dies or off-center strikes. Collectors also value coins from historically significant years like 1945, as they represent the end of a global conflict and a turning point in American history. This historical connection adds emotional and collectible value beyond just the metal content. When it comes to value, a 1945 Lincoln wheat penny in fine condition is generally affordable, often ranging from around $2 million depending on its overall appearance and detail. However, coins in better condition, such as extremely fine or uncirculated grades, can command higher prices, ranging from a few dollars to $2 million or more. The real excitement begins with rare, high-grade specimens or error coins, which can sell for $2 million at auction. Exceptional coins with original red color and minimal wear are especially valuable, making them highly sought after by serious collectors and investors alike. If you're searching for a valuable 1945 wheat penny, there are several important tips to keep in mind. First, always examine the coin's condition carefully, paying attention to the sharpness of details and the level of wear. Coins with clearer features tend to be more valuable. Second, look closely for any unusual errors or variations, as these can significantly increase the coin's worth. Third, preserve your coins properly by storing them in protective holders and keeping them away from moisture and harsh environments. Most importantly, never clean your coins, as cleaning can damage the surface and reduce their value in the collector market. Patience and knowledge are key to building a meaningful and valuable collection. In conclusion, the 1945 Lincoln wheat penny with no mint mark is more than just an old coin, it is a piece of history that reflects a significant moment in time. While most examples in fine condition are modest in value, the potential for rare finds and high-grade specimens makes this coin an exciting addition to any collection. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced collector, this humble penny reminds us that even the smallest treasures can carry great stories and hidden value. Next up, the 1946 Lincoln wheat penny with no mint mark, struck at the Philadelphia Mint. At first glance, this coin may seem like just another old penny, especially in circulated fine condition. But don't underestimate it, this small copper coin carries history, collector interest, and in some cases, surprising value in the auction market. Could a simple 1-cent coin from 1946 actually be worth big money? Let's dive in and uncover its true story. The 1946 Lincoln wheat penny holds a special place in U.S. history as it was minted just after the end of World War II. This was a time of transition, as the United States moved from wartime production to peacetime growth. The Lincoln Cent series, first introduced in 1909 and designed by Victor David Brenner, had already become one of the most recognized coins in circulation. By 1946, the mint had returned fully to its traditional bronze composition after the steel cents of 1943. The coin is made from 95% copper, along with small amounts of tin and zinc, giving it its warm reddish-brown appearance. The absence of a mint mark tells us that this coin was produced in Philadelphia, which struck a massive number of pennies to meet the demands of a growing economy. The design of the 1946 wheat penny remains one of the most iconic in American coinage. On the obverse, you'll see the detailed portrait of Abraham Lincoln facing right, along with the inscriptions "In God We Trust" above, "Liberty" on the left, and the year 1946 on the right. The reverse side features the classic wheat ears design, with 2 wheat stalks framing the words 1 cent and United States of America, along with EPLUBUSUNUM above. In fine circulated condition, the coin shows noticeable wear from use, but key details like Lincoln's outline, facial features, and the wheat lines remain visible. The color is typically brown or a mix of brown and red, reflecting years of circulation and natural aging. Although the 1946 wheat penny without a mint mark was produced in very high numbers, its rarity depends heavily on condition and special characteristics. Coins in circulated fine condition are relatively common, but collectors still seek well-preserved examples with strong detail and minimal damage. Demand increases significantly for coins in higher grades or those with unique minting errors, such as doubled dies or off-center strikes. Additionally, coins from the immediate post-war period hold historical appeal, making them attractive to collectors who value both history and numismatic significance. This combination of history and condition keeps the 1946 penny relevant in the collector market. In terms of value, a 1946 Lincoln wheat penny in fine circulated condition typically ranges from around $5 million, depending on its overall quality and eye appeal. While this may seem modest, the value can increase significantly for coins in better condition. Extremely fine or uncirculated examples can be worth several dollars, often between $5 million or more. The real excitement comes from rare high-grade coins or era varieties, which can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auctions. Coins with original red luster and minimal wear are especially valuable and highly sought after by collectors. If you're hoping to find a valuable 1946 wheat penny, it's important to know what to look for. Start by carefully examining the coin's condition, focusing on the sharpness of details and the level of wear. Coins with clearer features and less damage tend to be more valuable. Always check for unusual errors or variations, as these can greatly increase a coin's worth. Proper storage is also essential to keep your coins in protective holders and avoid exposure to moisture or harsh conditions. Most importantly, never clean your coins, as cleaning can reduce their value significantly. With patience and attention to detail, even a common coin can become a valuable find. In conclusion, the 1946 Lincoln wheat penny with no mint mark may appear simple, but it carries a rich history and potential value that makes it worth a closer look. While most circulated fine-condition coins are modest in price, the possibility of rare errors or high-grade specimens adds excitement to collecting. This coin is a reminder that even everyday objects can hold hidden treasures and historical significance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and love discovering rare coins and hidden treasures, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update, and let me know in the comments if you've ever found a valuable coin in your collection. See you in the next video.